Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Search with your voice on Android phone. Okay, let's get started. First open your YouTube app and now tap on the search bar and tap on the microphone. See, this is the problem. Search with your voice. To search by voice, go to settings, permission and allow access to microphone. Okay, how to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, go to your Play Store and now check update your YouTube app. My YouTube app already updated. Okay, go back and go to your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and scroll down. Scroll down. Now tap on the YouTube and force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Now click on the storage and clear cache and clear data. Delete. Go back and tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Camera allow, contacts, location, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos, last microphone, and allow only while using the app. Microphone allow. Okay, go back. Okay, go back and last step. Now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Okay, go back. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and open your YouTube app and try again. Now click on the search bar and tap on the microphone